Hello, welcome back again. So in this video, we're going to look at Photopea. Photopea is one of the best free photo editing app, which is alternate to Photoshop. So let's see how we can use the generative AI, which is new inside Photopea. So when you click on the link below, this is where it gets you to the home page where you have all this information here. And you can see in Photopea, you have the new project open from computer templates, and here is the generate with AI. This is new to Photopea, but some months now. So once you click on this generative AI, generating images inside Photopea, you can be able to generate images and also edit right inside Photopea. So here's the generative AI. So let's click on that, and it brings us to this page here. And you can already see here, this is the quality of the images. You can also put in your text. You can see this example here, cute hamster in space wearing goggles, holding a 3D sign that says Photopea. These are some examples. So let's generate our own. So to generate that, you can come to the prompt box here and just type in your prompt. Just copy paste here, and you click here to generate the image. So here's the image that I generated. Now, if you don't want this image, you can always generate new one. So let's try another one. It takes only a few seconds to generate the images. Okay, so here's another one. Let's generate another one again. I think this one is cute. Don't you think so? Okay, so to edit inside Photopea, you can see it says edit image. So let's click on edit image, and now we are in Photopea. There are common tools that you can find in photo editing software such as Photoshop and the other. Like for example, selecting tools here, or the move tool, and then the rectangle select, lasso tools, and the magic wand. All these tools are here, so you can always use them. If you want to know more about using Photopea, you can comment in the section below on how to edit photos right inside Photopea. Right now we have this photo here, so that's how we can generate images from using the generative AI that is inside Photopea. So I can just want to show you a little bit of editing thing inside here, just to do a little bit something to the images here for the color. So let's zoom in by holding down Control on your keyboard and the middle mouse button. Okay, and then I come to the image here and the adjustment, and you can see different adjustment that you can edit from here. You have the curve there, you have the vibrant, you have the hue saturation, you have the color balance. All these ones are here that you can use for free inside Photopea. One thing about Photopea, for removing the background, you have to have premium to use more than once. But if you are using free like myself now to do this tutorial, you can just come to the select, and you can see remove background, and it's gonna remove. But since I already removed this, it says non-premium user can only use once a day. So you can see there's 103 minutes remain to use this. So yeah, so let's cancel this for now, and let's go again to image and do some little adjustment. I want to do a little bit of cap here. So this is more like photo editing thing. So you can see giving a little bit of light there, putting this one down, put some shadows there, and then let's go back again, do a little bit of adjustment. I want to do the hue saturation here. You have the hue saturation and lightness. Let's bring the lightness up, and you can see it's make it more brighter. So let's just bring it down. So you can do any style you want. Here's the layers. You can add more layers to your images to edit more. You can put in the text. All these things are right inside Photopea. Okay, basically this video is about how to use the generate AI images that you can generate inside Photopea and bring it into Photopea to edit that. To export your image, you can come to File, and you can see Export as PNG, JPEG, any or file tag here. So you can generate your image, and you can edit inside Photopea, and you can export. So that's all for this video. Come again, because we're going to look at the AI that is inside Photopea. Where does it comes from? Thank you for watching. See you back again in another video.